So hi guys, welcome again to another video, and for this video I'll be answering the packet tracer here in chapter 2, and you will find this one in chapter 2 2.4.1.2 packet tracer skill integration challenge. So we have given here the addressing table, which concludes device interface, IP address, and the subnet mask. So we also have here the objectives on what will be the result or the expected outcomes here in our activity, and there is a scenario here, and we also have the requirements. And for the first one, we will be configuring the host name and IP addresses in two Internetwork Operating System or iOS and by the use of command line interface or the CLI, and we will be using the Cisco iOS command to specify or limit the access on the device configuration, and we will gonna be use iOS command to save our running configuration, and we'll be configuring the two host IP addresses with IP addresses and verify the connectivity between the two PC. So the scenario here is, for example, we are the LAN technician. So we are hired as a LAN technician, and our network manager ask you, me, or whoever to demonstrate the ability to configure the small LAN. So our task here is to configure initial settings on two switches using the Cisco iOS and configuring IP addresses parameters on host devices to provide end-to-end connectivity. So we are given two switches and two PC on cable powered connection network. So we have the requirements here. We will be using console connection, and we will be setting this and this one as the host name. We'll be putting this as password, and this is the secret password, and we will encrypt all the clear text password. We will include the message of the day or MOTD banner with the warning, and configure addressing for all devices according to the addressing table, and we'll save the configuration and verify connectivity between all devices. So let's start. First we'll be connecting this console to the PC, and another one here, console, and will be RS323, I think. So we'll be putting first the IP address of each PC. So here we have 10.10.10.4. For the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So that's for the user one. And there is no default gateway and the DNS server. And for the next one, we have the user number 2. We'll be putting the IP address 10.10.10.5 and same as the subnet mask, we have 255.255.255.2.0. So same. There is no given default gateway and DNS server. So now we will be configuring this one into the given requirements here. We just follow. So the terminal and okay. First, we'll be enabling this and configure terminal, and we will put the host name. The host name given is ASW-1. So for the next one, we have line console 0, and we're putting the password given here is R for XE3. So we'll log in, exit. So be using the line VTI 0 and 4. We will put the password. The given is R for XE3. So we'll log in and exit, and we will be enabling secret. The given password is C4AJA. So service password encryption. So we will putting the banner M mode with the warning because that's the given, and the interface VLAN 1, and we'll be putting the IP address here in the switch. We have IP address 10.10.10.100, and the subnet mask with 255.255.255.0, and no shutdown. And we will be exit and exit, and we'll copy running config and start a config here. So our building configuration is done. So now let's proceed to the switch number 2. Well, it's just the same thing what I did in the first one. So we have here first again enable and configure terminal, and we'll be putting the host name with ASW-2 and line console 0, and then password. The password is R for XE3, and log in, and then exit, and then line VTY 0 and 4. We have password R for XE3, and then log in again, and then exit. And for the next one, we will be enable secret with the C4AJA and then service password encryption. So we will putting again the banner MOTD with the warning. So for now we will be using the interface VLAN, dealing with the interface VLAN 1. So we will be putting the given IP address. We have 10.10.10.150 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. So we'll be putting no shutdown and exit and exit. Now we will be copying the running config and start up config, and that's all done. So we successfully complete it. So let's check the result and see the given. Here is the given task for us to do, and we completed all. We completed this activity, and so that's all. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next video.